Hello everyone, Steve at the Auto Station. Got a great tip here for you. We got a car here in total disrepair. The reason for this is take a look at this. All this wiring system has been damaged or somehow compromised. And it runs underneath the carpet in the car. So the big thing that's going on here is the snow and the slush is coming in with the boots, getting into the carpet, soaking it, and shorting out this wire circuit. Simple little prevention here. Buy some floor mats that are rubber and they're contained and you don't get the water through them down into the carpet. Carpet floor mats are great for the summer, not so good for the winter. It's all about floor mats. You're not sure what ones you should be having, you're not sure if yours are working, come on in and see us. Be happy to help you. Make sure this kind of stuff doesn't happen to you. Steve at the Auto Station.